So, are you one of those students who are missing college in this lockdown, or are you one of those students who have just abruptly ended their college lives and because of this pandemic, or are you one of those students who are very eager to start their new college lives and just get admitted into their dream colleges? So, if at all you want to get reminded of those times and just want to relive your college lives, this is your video. So hey guys, what's up? I'm Arya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be recommending you some amazing, super amazing books which will definitely remind you of your college lives, and if not exactly remind you, they will help you get through your college days and will teach you a lot personally. So these are my personal favorites, so I'm recommending it to you guys, and all of these books are super amazing and super fun to read. So yeah, I hope you like these recommendations, and if at all you did not know that I make videos on books, I do. That is my primary content. So make sure to stick around if you're interested in books, because I try to make bookish videos every Monday. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get to the books. So these are all fictions. I don't exactly read non-fictions. So if you have good recommendations for me, please put it in the comment section below, because I have no idea about non-fictions. So the first book that I'm going to recommend you for this video is Rainbow Rowell's Fangirl. Now I know you might have expected Eleanor and Park in place of Fangirl, because that is more famous and more people know about that book. But that is a great book, but I think the high school students will relate to that more rather than college students. And Fangirl is such a beautiful book and such a beautiful read that I think from the entire video, if you want to pick out just one book, this should be that book. It is that good. Talking about Fangirl in detail, so this is a contemporary young adult fiction, and as I said, I mostly read fictions. So this is a contemporary young adult fiction, and it is based on the lives of two twin sisters named Kath and Ren. Now these two sisters have just begun with their freshman year in college and everything. So it is totally based on college, and it will remind you of your college days also. It is very relatable. So on one hand, where we see Kath being very, she's a very introvert, and she finds it difficult to mix with people and make new friends. And on the other hand, we see Ren, who is very outgoing and very extrovert, and just makes friends very easily. So we see a contrast between these two sisters and how both of them are treating their college lives and treating change in their personal lives as well, and how they are becoming mature and just learning new things and everything and growing as a person. So yes, I think this book is basically about growing up and being mature and embracing change in one's life and being independent with that. So it is a very beautiful book, a very beautiful read, and I definitely would suggest you to go for this one if you are in your college, because yeah, it will remind you of your college days, definitely. Now the second book that I am recommending you for this video is something which not exactly should be read by college students only. People from any age groups can read this, but I am recommending you here because I think college life is something which brings about a lot of change in our lives and teaches us a lot, and just students grow up and become mature and learn to be independent and work on their careers. So this book will really help you and motivate you in that field and in that factor, and will be an answer for you in many ways, be the answer to many of your questions. I'm talking about The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. So this book is really I think a little overrated, but it is a lovely book, and it will also help you getting through your college days in a smooth manner, and just it will teach you a lot. So definitely give this a read. Now while we are on books that will help you and teach you a lot and will motivate you in your lives, I will recommend you to go for Robin Sharma's The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Now this is a self-help book, and if you are confused about your career, or if you are confused how to go ahead and what exactly is the path, and just college students are confused about these things, and college students need a particular sort of a guidance. So this is a book which will motivate you in that field. So definitely give it a read. It will help you a lot in getting through your college. Yeah, I think so, because yeah, it is a really good book, a really nice read. So the fourth book that I'm recommending you for this video is To All the Boys That I've Loved Before by Jenny Han. Now this is a young adult romantic fiction, and if you are looking for a light romantic read, this is your go-to book, and it will also remind you of your college days, I think, to some extent or the other, because the storyline is like that. So it is about a girl who is named Lara Jean, and she actually writes letters to boys on whom she ever had a crush on. So it is really sweet, and it is really after a while in her life she comes across those people for whom she had written those letters, and she comes across her letters that she had written while she was young, and the change that she faces, and how she embraces that. So again, this is about embracing change in your lives, and being mature about situations and things that change around you and for you. So yeah, that is in most of the books that I've recommended you before also, that these books are about embracing the change around you and becoming mature and independent with that. So yeah, this is a lovely book, and it also has 2 sequels, I suppose, P.S. I Still Love You, and Always and Forever Lara Jean. So I think these are the 2 books. I haven't read them yet, so I don't know a lot about them, but these are the 2 sequels. Now the 5th book that I'm going to recommend you for this video is Anything for You Ma'am by Tushar Raheja. Now don't have too much of expectation with this book. This is a very light and gentle read. It is an Indian romantic fiction, so it is written by an Indian author, and I would recommend the beginners to go for this book. If you are a beginner in reading, you will definitely like this book. It is a very soft and gentle read. You don't have to use your dictionaries while reading this. The storyline is really sweet, and if you are a college student, especially an engineering college student, you will definitely relate to this a lot. It is about a college romance, and a very sweet college romance, so you will like it. I am definite about that. So yeah, give it a read. Now the last book that I am going to recommend you for this video is the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series by Jeff Kinney. I know, and even I'm surprised, because this book I also recommended in my video on books that should be read by young readers and children, and I'm also recommending it in this video, that is books to be read by college students. But it is a lovely series, and it is such a great read. Just go and read this book. I know you all are going to love this. This is sort of a comic, and if you like fully illustrated books and books with cartoons and everything, so you will definitely love this one. This is actually a very realistic book, and those handwritten stuffs and day-to-day chores and everything. So I think you will find it really amusing and good at the same time. And if you think the series is only for children, you are still a child, and you can definitely read these books. Now these were all the recommendations for this video. I hope you like these books, and if you do, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you have any other recommendations for me which I have not read and I have not mentioned in this video, make sure to recommend me that as well. And yeah, I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, don't forget to check out my other videos. I will link them in the description box below, videos that you will like watching. Also, you can get connected with me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box below, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep reading, keep loving.